guys, we are back again with with another unboxing video, and this time we are going to unbox something very special to us, to me and my Gundu here, my dear cat, who's more than a year old now, I guess. So we got our PlayStation 5 2K26 edition from Amazon's Black Friday sale. We are going to unbox this now. This is a 1 TB 4K experience of a electronic device, and we are going to happily unbox this. We received this morning around 8:30 a.m. but it is 1:39 a.m. now. You can see my watch. It's 1:39 a.m. now. I was busy with several things today. It's a Saturday. It's 7th December 2025. I was not able to unbox this yet, and my cat is more excited than me to unbox this today. Let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. The experience itself makes me really happy to have this device with me delivered today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. You can see my cat Gundu is really excited today for this unboxing session. So by the way, the price of this is 54,990. We got a 5,000 discount on the Black Friday sale, and we had a couple of coupons which we applied, and we got it for around 48,000. Right, Gundi? You excited, boy, for this? Let's go ahead and unbox this beauty today. Right. Hopefully my cat is not blocking our view. So there's a seal. We just opened it off, and let's break the other seal as well. Here we go. The greatest and the best unboxing of my channel today. Unboxing of a device so far, the best device so far that we unboxed this year. And the opening itself is a little complicated, and Gundu is all like curious. Gundu, get down, let's take out this box, boy. Can't wait to pull this box out. Oh boy, keep quiet, boy. This is one heavy device, bro. Here we go. It has a 1-year warranty. Right, bro. It's a nice white box, and my kitty cat is all excited, more excited than me to unbox this box today. We have some cables, TV connectors. Look at this, man. Some plastic holders for the cables. This is going to be really detailed unboxing of PlayStation 5 so far. You would have seen on the internet, on YouTube. This is a HDMI cable. I don't know how big this is, probably a meter, 1.5 meter. And I guess this is a charging cable, probably. It has, on both the ends, different kind of head. So far we've got 3 cables outside and some clips, I guess. Boy. Here we go, man. Holy. Feels a little heavy quality wise. We have our controller right in our hand. Look at the beauty, look at the design, the color. Can't wait to start playing on this. The buttons, the glass type of buttons here. Probably this might also light up, I guess, and the analog sticks, and even this button, the PlayStation symbol as well works. Okay, so when I press this, the light appears here. Let's look at the back side. It's all white, not sure if it will get dirty soon. And we have a jack, headphone jack here. Man, really excited to hold this in my hand. Alright, you Gundi, we're gonna play the whole night today, boy. Right? Is that right, boy? Yeah? You excited for the controller and the PlayStation? Let's go ahead, boys. This is the socket. I guess this is the wire that we connect, and this goes to the other end of the console. This will charge the controller. I can't believe this is like a dream coming true today. Shit. You can see the happiness on my face. Why? Let's go ahead and pull out the console, boy. You're gonna let me pull it out, boy? Huh? Give me a moment, boy. I know you're excited for my unboxing today, but let's go ahead and open this. And what else do we have? We got some the 2K26 NBA book voucher. There's a voucher here. I'm not sure how to use this. It's written in different languages. The first page is written in English. It is just giving us instructions as to how to redeem this voucher. You can see the cover of this book, and this is the voucher, the scratch card here. Scratch it and you get the coupon. Let's go ahead, man. Got some, as usual, some big thick books. Another book. It's a safety guide. We all know how the console works. We also have a quick start guide. Do we need these books? Not at all. Do we, boy? Do we need it, boy? Do we need these books, boy? Do we? Let's keep this aside, man. Holy, I just can't. Now, this is one of the moments where you start thinking whether this is reality or not. So this is one of that moments for me. We're still okay. And look at Gundu as well, right? He's feeling comfortable inside this box. Look at his paws. You know, spreading out and so let's go ahead and pull the console out. Do we have anything else other than the console inside? No? We don't have anything else inside the console. So this box goes to our Gundu. Come on, go play. Look at this packaging, man. Look at this. Oh shit, this is something heavy. This is something heavy, and holder. It's something new for me. Looks like I'm not sure what material this is, but I normally have seen this in egg crates. It's nice. Take out the other end as well and unwrap our console. This we spent about 50,000, close to 50,000 rupees for this console. I'm really excited to open this console. Oh man, this is heavy. I don't know, this must be like around 10 to 15 kilograms. It's really heavy, not like PlayStation 4. This feels really heavy. This is my best friend for the next year, and we have we have been preparing ourselves for GTA 6, and this is the beginning of it. We begin with buying a PlayStation 5 so that we get prepared for the release of GTA 6 around the end of 2026. Man, oh, you can see the smudge, the mark of my lips here. Holy shit, this is like a glossy finish, and this is all matte. This is matte finish. I don't know what this. It's like a seal that covers the HDMI opening. Let's open the seal. This is going to be a really detailed video. Here we go. We're gonna stick it back on the console itself. Let me show this around to you guys. Not sure what this is. Must be this is the CD disc. We got the power button here, and must be this is like the socket for charging the joystick, and some air vents. I don't know what this is. And let's see what sockets we have. We have the socket for the power cable. We have some USB ports. We have a LAN port. We have a HDMI port. And this is something heavy. Shit. Can't wait to turn this on and transfer my account into PlayStation 6 and start playing right away. This was the best unboxing of my lifetime so far, and the best unboxing on our channel so far. This is the unboxing of PlayStation 6. I will also start recording videos when I get some customizations. I get another controller. We just get one controller with the console, but if we purchase another one, we'll try to get a customized one. I see several different designs on the controllers. We're gonna get one of them and try to also customize our console. Try to remove the cover of this, these plates, and try to customize it further. So I thought this would be lighter, but this is heavy, man. Something heavy, probably because of the CD drive. We went for a disc edition, not only the digital one, which plays both the disc as well the digital games. Because I have a couple of PlayStation 4's disc games. One is God of War, and a few more of them. So let's get started. We're almost coming to the end of the unboxing video. I'm really excited and happy. I'll go set it up and start playing the games. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye guys.